Basketball season begins.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco's back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see, we're back with another comparison video here at the beach. Let me know what you guys think about these four shoes right here behind me. Kyrie Lows, Kyrie 4 red carpet. You got the Yeezy V2 butter colorway, and then of course you got the KD11 that just dropped. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get a little closer look, and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts and opinions on them. And you guys fill me in the comment section, you dig? Alright, so all these shoes you guys have seen on my channel before, ain't nothing new. We're gonna go with the red carpet since it's right in front of our faces, man. This shoe right here to me is by far my favorite Kyrie 4 colorway, only because it's like a salmon off pink color. It's like a hot salmon color, like a dark salmon color. In the light, it looks a little darker than it is. But they have the platinum leather. I really like how the Kyrie decided to add the patent leather to that whole mid panel right there with that gold Nike check. It makes these shoes just stand out crazy, man. I wish it was a little bit of a different color or a little bit darker, but it does stand out. It is fire. You got that velvet collarbone right there. Let me know what you guys think about these Kyrie 4 red carpets. They released once and then they re-released when the movie came out, the Uncle Drew movie. Did you guys watch the movie? Did you guys cop these, or did you guys cop any of the shoes from the Uncle Drew pack? Let me know about that in the comment section. Then right next to that shoe we have the Kyrie Low. I made a mistake before and called these the Kyrie 4 Lows. Wrong, bruh. Kyrie Lows, the first edition, bro. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. I think this one is probably the best out of the three colorways that are out because it can go with the most. The black and white, pretty much dominant black shoe with a little bit of white midsole on there. Then you have that plastic type of Nike check that actually goes around your foot with the strap and on the side panels of the shoe. Got little details in there. Got resemblance to me of the Kyrie 3s, Kyrie 2s in here. That's what I think. I think this shoe is like a hybrid, a little bit of all three of his shoes put together and in a low version. I like the strap across the shoe. It seems like it would be very comfortable and great on the court. I have heard some people say they do like the Kyrie Lows on the court, but still prefer the Kyrie 4s on the court. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys own either one of these shoes or both of them, give me the feedback in the comment section. Okay, and moving on to the next shoe, which is something that's always hype because of who it is made by. It is a Yeezy Adidas Boost V2. The butter colorway just dropped last weekend. A lot of people didn't really sleep on them. Just everybody could get them, bro. They came out in a multiple quantity, like the large quantity sizes. So a lot of people had a chance to get a Yeezy for the first time. This is actually my first Adidas Yeezy, so I'm one of those people who was able to get a Yeezy for the first time. I actually had the Nike ones before. I've said that many a times. I had a pair of the Nike ones that glow in the dark, but never got a chance to get my hands on any of these V2s, 350s, 500s, 700s, any of that. So this is my first time. Let me know what you guys think about these. Is the hype dying for these Yeezys? Are you guys happy that they made a large amount so everybody can get them, or do you guys like them a little bit more exclusive? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. It's funny because this was such a general release with mass amount of pairs, and a lot of people bought up multiple pairs. I feel like at first the price is gonna be low. Like the resale price right now is really next to retail, but the longer you hold on to them and the more they're not out of production anymore and everybody's bought their pair and start wearing them up, these will start to go up. These will be my pair. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of them. I've still been in limbo with it, but for the most part I will keep them. You know, you have the Boost going on here, which is something that everybody likes about the shoe. The Boost bottom, you got the whole prime knit upper. Very dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section, and where does this shoe stack up amongst the three that we have seen so far, or all four of them combined? Let me know what you guys think. And last but not least, we just got these yesterday, these KD11s, the newest shoe, the newest model, the latest release from the KD Nike brand. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Got the whole fly knit upper. This shoe actually is dope. It's a basketball shoe, and it actually has React, which is the equivalent to Boost. So this shoe has Boost and Air Max, all air bubble at the bottom. The midsole has the React area. Let me show you that on the other side of the shoe. Very, very dope. I thought that was pretty slick how they did that. They added a basketball shoe that has both Boost, as you can see in the pink area where my thumb is, right where my thumb is, that is the React area, and then this whole bottom that's clear is nothing but air. Nike Air Zoom mixed with Nike React. That's crazy in one shoe. A basketball shoe for a champion KD. Even though they beat my boy LeBron and them, he still got his ring. Shout out to KD for that, man. These shoes are fire. They had them out in like maybe 3 different colorways that I've seen so far. but by far, hands down, to me, this is the best one. This is the equivalent to the confetti that the Kyrie 4 dropped. When they dropped the Kyrie 4s, the first colorway was the confetti. That thing sold out crazy. You cannot really find that thing anymore. I really think this is gonna be the same one for this. The resale on this is not too bad, probably like at a $220 price point right now when it retails for $150, but this price I think will go up, man. Let me know what you guys think about these KDs along with every shoe you guys see here. All four of them. You got the KD 11, the Yeezy V2 Butters, you got the Kyrie Lows, and you have the Kyrie 4 red carpets. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section, man. Your boy Bossco. I'm not gonna hold you up too long. Won't be too much on feet here. I don't want to damage any of my shoes or the shoes I'm selling, so I won't be trying them on here, maybe at the house. But let me know your true thoughts and opinions on these shoes, and where do these guys rank? Which is 1, 2, 3, and 4? Which one do you like the most? Which one do you like the least? Make sure you smash the like button, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you are new. It's your boy Bossco Mitchell, man. I'm here at the beach enjoying my day. Hopefully you guys are too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
What up, world? You know what I said? The diamonds was on prom date. I meant they was dancing under the dog light. In New York, I'm really raw. Got it in my sock, 50 out the wall, and I pitch free raw. Got it in my sock, got a little thought. That's a little boat, boy, that's a little yacht. I just like, let me get this shit for real though. I get money, 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 motherfucker, like I'm Jordan. It's the nigga flying foreign, make your bitches not important. Millie rocking through the city, pop a pity by the garden. No, you niggas can't afford it, and these bitches can't ignore me. I dish it like Dory. I'm with some white shorty, and the bitch is like 40. She singing Mike Shorey in the port loose, riding out the Porsche, cool gliding. If you try me, nigga, I'll be off the porch, stoop sliding. It's just me and Lil Aggie, Portuguese, Lil Batty, pouring drink off in the soda, putting weed off in the baggie. I'll be off in the caddy with a freak that's off of Addy, trying to fuck me to the beat. It's like the beat is off badly. Fleeing off the Cali, I'll be back in the morning. Them boys diss me in the night, I get them clapped by the morning. Got the money club and all the dollars stacking and joining. In the back of this foreign, I keep a cool bitch with me that's never slacking or born, never lacking, I'm blowing to any nigga try and hoe us. We feel the world owe us. I bet your girl know us. Weatherman Riley, 2 bad bitches like Kendall and Kylie. Let your man try me, be another man dying. I'm a young sergeant. Oh, and by the way, I just beat my gun charges. Lawyer like a maid that just sweeping dump charges. Shout out Jim Lewis, I won't keep you bombarded, but we some young bosses. Can't nobody ever try to do it like we do. Playboy like Cardi, I won't fuck Cardi B too. Wonder if I slide in that DM, what it lead to? Putting it in position like we in a magazine shoot. Nigga, I'm the man, 10 bitches, Magnolia. Shout out to the fans, African, Angolia. Throw the damn rollie, throw the damn rollie. Rollie so heavy that the bitches can't hold it up. Scoring so much they gotta throw a damn goalie up. Niggas say they know but they don't know enough. You know it's us. Sure they wanna fuck me for Chanel, she a coconut. Skirting through the parking lot with donuts in the cold cuts. All 30 of us, 26 bitches, 4 sluts. All of us going up, the bank accounts growing up. Shorty threw the pussy at me, tore it up. Now the only way to get it back, she gotta saw it up. Yeah, in New York, I'm Millie Rock. I'm on any block, hit that bitch on Blitty block. Gave this dick to 20 thoughts, got it in my sock. 40 on a wop, 30 clip inside the X, then I on a Glock. Ooh. We just getting started. Nothing gonna be safe. I'm hopping on every bottle.